Well, I was born in Oklahoma and moved fairly quickly from there and then landed in Texas in third grade. I have 4 sisters, 1 twin, and my mother is a twin also. And we're all still very much family oriented and hang out together, and lots of nieces and nephews and grandkids. I knew I wanted to be a lawyer probably in high school, but I also wanted to be a journalist. So in my former lifetime, before I was practicing law, I was a journalist, worked for the Austin American-Statesman here and did some general writing on sports reporting, which I was the first woman, one of the first women into the sports reporting world. Suzanne Halliburton is my mentor in that, and she still works for the Austin American-Statesman and covers sports, but it's quite an experience. And then I went on to law school. I went originally to the University of Texas, and then I went to St. Mary's University in San Antonio for law school. Finished out my 3rd year at UT, interned at the Texas Supreme Court for Raul Gonzalez, which was quite an experience, and then graduated from St. Mary's. I'm a little long in the tooth as a lawyer. I'm 30 years now this past month as a lawyer, and my primary focus has been mass torts over those years: environmental, pharmaceutical, business interests, other things like that. There are a lot of things that happen to big groups of people that just aren't fair for them, and many of them are years and years ago, and you have to go back and recreate a story, and that ties into my journalism background, and just really a sense of justice for the people that we're working with. I have a very good example in Michael Watts and the team that we work with, and that he expects perfection and wants justice as well for his clients, and it really matters to him, and I appreciate that, and I don't want to let Michael down or let the clients down, and so when I can, I dig in and try to do the best I can for the case. For me, it's very important that women lawyers, as I said, I've been a lawyer for 30 years, and I've gone through a lot of iterations of different phases that women have gone through in the legal practice, and I really, really enjoy working with the new young lawyers who don't have that history, and so they're looking forward, and I think that's the best possible place that they can look. We typically handle the case from, as they say in the environmental world, from cradle to grave, but in our world it's from beginning to end, right? So whatever the resolution is, we will follow it through to that resolution, to the satisfaction of our clients, in a way that helps the clients and hopefully keeps the company or the defendant from doing that same thing again in the future.